In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make it first person in Roblox Studio. So, the first thing you want to do is obviously load up Roblox Studio and have everything set up like I have. So, the next thing you want to do is go to your Explorer and go to Starter GUI, press Add, and you want to add a script here. We want to call the script Smooth First Person. I'm going to press Rename here. Oops, I clicked on one. I need to do it on the script. I want to go to rename smooth first person, like this. From here, I want to paste in this script here that I've got. And if you want to be able to get access to this script, then please check the link in the description and I should have it there. Now, at the top here, you can change the settings. So can view body, true means can they view their body. You can change it to false. You can change the sensitivity, so that's the mouth sensitivity. You can change the smoothness. You can change the FOV, so if you want to see more, increase it. If you want to see less, decrease it. Now from here, that's the full setup of it. And from here, you can just go to base plate. You can hit play. And you can then test out and it should work. One thing to note is that if you have like tons of other things in here, it might not work, so you might need to start a new base plate, like a new thing to do this. So if I go to new, I'll show you how to do it from scratch again, just so you can get a better idea. But basically that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below this helped. Thank you for watching.